Welcome back friends. In this video I will give you information about Oman Prometric exam. From last year, Oman Medical Specialty Board has changed the pattern of Prometric exam for lab technician. For before there was 70 questions only, but now there is 100 questions and you will have 2.5 hours time to complete these questions. And they increase some categories. Before there was no safety and quality control, no virology, there was no urine analysis, but now they increase some categories. So what are the total number of items will come from each category? From safety and quality control there will be 8 questions. From bacteriology there will be 15 questions. From virology there will be 7 questions. From immunology there will be 7 questions. From parasitology there will be 7 questions. From hematology there will be 13 questions. From blood bank there will be 13 questions. From biochemistry there will be 18 questions. From hormones there will be 5 questions. From urine analysis there will be 3 questions, and from mycology there will be 4 questions. So total number of 100 questions will come from each category, and you will have 2.5 hours to complete the task. Passing marks is 60%. You have to take 60% to pass this exam, and this pattern is Prometric exam pattern is for Oman, because from last year they changed the pattern. Before there was 70 questions, but now there is 100 questions. And what are the questions coming, or what MCQs coming in this exam? Some helping MCQs I have already made. You can check MCQs playlist. So I hope this information will help for all the new students who are going to give exam for Oman Prometric. Best of luck. Thank you.